What we have here is a window crank that's busted on an awning window. This window is a Marvin window. And when you go to try to close it, you notice that this piece right here, it just backs up out of the hole. So what we're going to do is a quick, simple, easy fix today on how to fix this. So you're going to take your window handle, put it back down on the crank. You're going to turn it backwards until it's down in here somewhat kind of flush. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to get a socket. Take a socket or a piece of pipe, anything that's about the same size, a little smaller than this ring that you're trying to put back in, and has a hole in this end so it can fit down over the shaft. So you're going to just take a hammer, smack it down in that hole. The next thing you're going to do is your window handle. You notice it has a little set screw in it. Just going to take that out. I'm going to take a drill bit that's about the same size as that little set screw. Put it on the drill, and then we're going to drill a hole. Next thing you're going to do is take this little set screw that you took out of your handle, and you're going to put it in this hole you drilled. Now, we're using a screw gun, but you can use a hand screwdriver if you want. Put that down in there like that. Next thing I'm going to do is take a hammer and just start tapping that through. What that does is expands the metal inside the hole. Now taking the edge of your hammer, you're going to dent this aluminum down around the edge. Next thing you're going to do is put your window crank back on. And there you have it. Window closes. Window open. Maybe a little stiff at first. Close, open, close. And the piece won't come back out no more. It's a quick, simple, easy fix. So what you're going to do is take the screw at the bottom of the window handle. You're going to drill a hole in the side of the case, and after you take a socket and beat this piece back in, you're going to put the screw in with an impact driver, a screw gun, or a flathead screwdriver. You're going to tap it with a hammer and then crimp this edge over the edge of the there you go. Open, close, open, close. It takes about 5 minutes to fix your latch without having to go pay $45 or $50 and wait a couple of weeks for a new one to come in and take all this wood apart. It's a very simple, quick, easy fix. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel for more how-to informative videos.